My tires were unbalanced, so I decided to put pressure on my Honda SI. It's 2020 Honda SI. So I was putting pressure on my tire and I realized it's not working. So I went to check the power outlet. And I realized it's not working. This is the power outlet. So I always connect it with my camera. So this is power outlet 12 and 80 W max. Most people know much about it. So I'll show you guys how to fix it. So I'm sure it's 20. So here is where we're going to start from. So most of the power outlet, it's usually 20. If you can see over here, let me try to zoom. This one. So this is 20. Starting from the top, the green one. 1, 2, 3. So we are going to change that one. So that's 20. So we always have these cars. Most of them, they come with some spares, some extra fuse. So you're going to open here, and then I'm going to show you guys. So we are going to take one of these. This is 20. This is for power outlet. I'm going to put it down here. So we are going to take the other one, the bad one out. Oh, some